Hello, I'm Rachel. Thanks for joining me on Kalkine TV for top ASX buzzing stocks for the day. So let's look at 5 stocks that are in the news today because of their price-sensitive announcements. Lithium and potash explorer Allkem's revenue for the 2022 financial year increased over 800% to $770 million. Gross profit stands at $605 million and consolidated net profit after tax is at $337 million. Now this has been achieved in the first half of the year of the merger of Orocobre and Galaxy Resources, which generated substantial value through the combination of outstanding operating assets and development projects. New development and expansions are expected to see the business expand threefold by 2026, with the aim of maintaining 10% market share as the lithium industry continues to grow. That's with the adoption of increasing electric vehicles. Today, Allkem shares are traded at $14. That's up 0.86% in the morning session. Next up, Appen reported a net loss of $9.4 million for the year. Revenue is down 7%. Global services revenue is down 7% and its underlying EBITDA was down by 66% due to lower revenue as well as investments in product, technology and transformation. The company said its 2022 EBITDA and EBITDA margin is likely to be materially lower than 2021 due to weak digital advertising markets and macroeconomic challenges. Today, Appen shares are trading at $4.55, up by 9.11% in the morning. Next up, Qantas posted its third consecutive statutory loss before tax of more than $1 billion, and net debt has fallen from a high of more than $6.4 billion to $3.9 billion at the end of financial year 2022. The company's also announced an on-market share buyback of up to $400 million as the benefits of the recovery materialise. The group has entered 2023 financial year with its balance sheet repair process effectively complete, strong levels of travel demand and a clear path to improving its COVID-related operational challenges. Qantas shares traded at $4.94, up by 8.81% this morning. Moving on, in the Flight Centre Travel Group today announced the company's revenue jumped 154% to just over $1 billion and recorded $183.1 million underlying EBITDA loss for the year. The company said the recovery was driven by rapid sales growth globally after governments relaxed and removed international and domestic travel restrictions. It started 2023 financial year with strong momentum and is well placed to capitalise on opportunities. While supply constraints and macroeconomic challenges are being monitored, they're not currently noticeably impacting demand. Today, Flight Centre shares traded at $17.53, up by 1.1% in the morning. And lastly, Australian investment fund and trustee group Perpetual today reported underlying profit increased 21% on 2021 financial year, with strong performance driven by revenue and earnings growth across all 4 business units. Revenue was up 20%. Perpetual announced to pay a final dividend of 97 cents per share on the 30th of September, resulting in a total dividend for the full year of $2.09, an increase of 16% on last year. Meanwhile, global investment management business Pendal has entered into a scheme implementation deed with Perpetual, under which Perpetual will acquire 100% of the issued shares of Pendal. Today in the morning session, Perpetual shares traded at $29.40, down by 2.97%. Pendal shares were up 10.45% at $5.39. Well, that's all for this edition of the top ASX buzzing stocks for the day. Make sure to keep it locked with Kalkine TV for the latest market insights and business news. I'm Rachel, signing off for now.